Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training. Today we're going to look at reinforcing our foundation here that we've got going on. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It helps me make videos like this a lot, and I need the support to keep me being able to do this. So here I'm going to go into my rebar command, and I'm using this T1, and I'm going to just place them right here. So I'm in expand to see the highlighted here. This is the mode I want to be in, so I want to place one there. There. I don't know if I'm going to do all of these right now, but I'll do a sum. As many as it'll let me do, I guess. So something fishy going on there, as well as there and there. Okay. Let's go out here and just have a look. Okay, so we can get these in. I'm not going to worry about those for right now. Oh, I know why they're not working. They're not on the right plane, but we'll fix that later. Probably got double counting there or something going on. And okay, same deal with that one. We won't worry about that one. So now let's go into our 3D view and see what we got going on here. So I was able to get those in, but why these didn't come, I don't know. But let's go into wireframe here. Okay. What am I doing in path? My goodness, let's cancel out of that. Go back to level 1. Here, I'm going to see if I can pick these others up. Go to rebar. This one. Okay, first cover, current, parallel. Okay. For some reason that won't let me, but anyway, while we got these in, we'll worry about those. So let's just grab this one. And as you can see, in the maximum spacing, I'm using max spacing, and the spacing is going to be 1 foot. So I can change that to whatever I like. But for now, let's use that one. Okay, so there's our column. Now let's go into my 3D view here. I'm going to just focus on this side for time's sake. So here, let's do a, let me get that one in. Let's reinforce this wall here. So to do that, I'm going to just do an area. So I'll select this, and I'll do an area reinforcement. I'm going to do my pick lines here, and I'm just going to pick, pick here, and then I'm going to clean this guy up. Finish. Okay, now, so I've got my reinforcing in there, and there's all the properties going to be number 4 bars, and you can adjust these and change them whatever you want, see here. But for now, I'm going to just stay at the 4s, and I'm going to go ahead and do all of these walls while I'm in it, while they're working properly for me. I don't know what's going on with these, but we can look at those later. Okay, so I'm going to go here, same thing. I'm going to go to structure, and then need to pick this. I want to do an area, and I want to pick these walls here. I'm going to try to do this whole thing, but not in one video. Probably not. Okay, so here. And there. Now let's clean this up. And we'll finish it. Okay. Get that one in. Let's go grab this one. Probably should have did my pad footings, but I can put those in anytime. So here we're going to go back again to area. We want to select it first, and then hit the area, and then do our pick line command here. Now in most cases they would probably want you to go between these columns, but I'm going to leave that out for now for time's sake. I don't want to spend all day doing this. Okay, that one there. Okay, finish. Okay, just one more, so I'm going to do area. this. On the area. I'm going to do pick lines. There. There. And there. And we'll clean this up. Okay, so we've got all our reinforcing in here. So we're going to look at this in my level 1 plan view. So there's our rebar. It's very, let's see, let's put this on fine. So there's our rebar for the walls. Now we can do other things here. We can like put some parallel bars in here and everything, but I'm going to leave that for later on and go, we're on level 1. Let's knock our floor out right quick. So for now, let's go into our structural floor. I'm going to select this, and then over my type properties, I want to use a 6-inch slab because that's generally what they would use. And I'm going to, let's just do this. Let's pick walls here. Yeah, let's do a pick wall. Probably be simpler here. Yep. And I want to finish it. Don't attach. No. So let's go on our 3D view. See what we got. Okay, there's our floor now. So I'm going to select this and reinforce this floor. Same deal. We're going to do area. And we're going to pick lines again. Okay. So I'm just simply showing how to do this, and then we're going to hit finish. Okay. We got to continue here. We got some stuff that needs to be shut down, closed up. I tried to use pick walls to avoid that, but I guess it doesn't. No, it didn't work that time. Doesn't work all the time. So here, 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 here. Now we'll finish that. Okay, now let's go into our level 1 here. And there's our reinforced floor and wireframe. So I want to select this here. So now we're here in our properties. We've got all these different, let me go on, let's just tile these views. See if we can do this. ZA, so you can see what's going on here. Let's zoom in. So I've got my floor selected here. So now I'm going to go on the ends. I'm going to do a hook. So I don't have no hooks on the ends. So here I'm going to do a 90-degree for the top one. And so if you look at this in this view, wireframe, you'll see that my bars are hooking over, going into the concrete, and that's kind of what you want to see and do there, right on the edges. And then here I can make these, I can change the spanning. So for the bottom, where it says hook type none, let's do 180. So what that does is, if you can see, there's the 90 up. So you can make these adjustments as you go along, but folks, I just wanted to come in here and show you how to do some basic reinforcing with Revit. So hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, helps me make videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video to finish this, because we can do a lot with Revit structure with reinforcing. So again, thank you for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye everybody, and be safe. Please subscribe.